A very good morning to everyone. For today's Excel training, I'll be teaching you on how to put the Malaysian car numbers of the numeric numbers in front of their alphabets. So basically, as you can see, that some of the car numbers from different states, all the alphabetic uh, characters are all with three characters, okay, even though they are from different states. But the only difference is that the number, okay, some could be four characters, some could be two characters, some could be three characters, and some could be only one characters. So what we need to do here is that we need to use four of the functions to get the required format results out. Okay, we need to use the left function, the length function, the right function, and also the concatenate functions to combine the two columns of the output results to come up with one result. So basically here on the first that we need to do is that we need to use the left function. So you just put an equal sign and in left, and then we open bracket, and then we click on B4, and then the total number of characters is that 3. As you can see that the car numbers for all the states are having 3 characters. Okay, so basically upon getting the first one, you want to copy to the last record, go to the bottom right of the cell, and when the plus sign appears, just double click on it. All right, so just do a random check. The first one is PLL, correct. The second one is VCD, correct. The fourth one is ACR, is correct. So we move on to the next one. For the next one, we need to calculate the length of the car numbers. So what we need to do is that we put the length function, equal sign, length, open bracket, and then we click on the car number, okay, B4 here, and then close bracket, as, and then you want to copy the formula down to the rest of the records, doing the same thing at the bottom right. When the plus sign appears, just double click on it. Just do a random check. Okay, 7 here, so PLL 8491 consists of 7 characters. VCD 98 consists of 5 characters, so it's correct. So basically, we go to the next functions that we need to use would be the right function. For the right function here, you just key in equal sign, right, open bracket. So we put in the car number, okay, and after that, we need to use this 7, okay, which is residing on D4 minus 3. This 3 is actually the alphabets of the car, which is PLL. So it will generate out for us the numeric numbers of the car numbers will be appearing out as 98491. Close bracket, just press enter. As you can see, the number comes up. And then if you want to copy to the all the records of the cars, just go to the bottom right. When the plus sign appears, just double click. Then we do a random check on it. So basically here, the number 8491, correct, correct. The second one, 98, correct. We move down here, 13, correct. 111, correct. Okay, so as you can see here is that, why is it that the formulas here, we need to minus 3, and remember minus 3 is because of the alphabets of the car number are all 3. All right, that is why that we need to minus 3. All right, so we move to the last column here. We need to concatenate to merge this cell E4 with cell C4 to get the required results. So basically what we need to do here is that we put equal and key in concatenate and open bracket. Then we need to select E4, okay, comma, then we need to put a quote, space, quote, comma, and then we need to put the alphabet of the car, which is residing in cell C4. Then close, press enter. So you can see that the numeric numbers now is appearing in front of the alphabet number of the car number. So just to double confirm, just copy the formulas all down and see, and then do a random check, see whether everything is in order. Second one would be 98 VCD, correct? We go to the fourth record, 1377 ACR, correct? We go to the last one, 12 KKM. Okay, so basically with these four functions, you'll be able to get the required format out accordingly. So basically, these would be the formulas that you need to put on the respective cells accordingly to get the results. I hope that this training helps you in a way that you are able to perform your job more easier, and hope that you like it, and I will be conducting other trainings in due course. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.